Understanding Art Patrons, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that often pops up in conversations about art and culture: art patrons. We'll break down what this phrase means, its origins, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Art patrons are individuals or groups who support, sponsor, or promote artists and their work. This support can be financial, but it can also involve providing resources, guidance, or opportunities for artists to showcase their work. Art patrons play a crucial role in the art world, helping artists to focus on their creative processes by easing their financial burdens. Art patronage has a rich history. During the Renaissance, for example, wealthy families and church officials often acted as patrons to famous artists like Michelangelo and Leonardo da Vinci. These patrons not only funded the artists but also influenced the themes and subjects of their work. Today, art patrons can be wealthy individuals, corporations, or even government entities. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. The museum's new exhibit was made possible by a group of dedicated art patrons. 2. As an emerging artist, finding an art patron can make a significant difference in your career. 3. The gallery event celebrated local art patrons for their ongoing support of the arts community. Notice how the phrase is versatile and can be used in different contexts related to art and sponsorship. That's it for today's lesson on art patrons. Remember, understanding phrases like this can enrich your English vocabulary, especially when talking about cultural topics. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in our next video.